Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail so you can receive emails again in Gmail. Maybe you did it by mistake. So all you need to do, let's say I unsubscribe this one, you can click here unsubscribe, or usually here at the bottom you'll see this option that says unsubscribe or manage email preferences. So let me click on this one first. I'll show you the different options. So this is their newsletter, okay, that they usually have. So you can change your preferences and toggle on the other ones. Maybe you only want a certain one. You can update your subscription. So let's just come here, click on unsubscribe from the top. Okay. So right here, I'm unsubscribing. It will give you this pop-up, right? So to stop getting messages from this mailing list, you need to go to the website to unsubscribe. Click on go to website. And then once you've unsubscribed, there you go. We get this option, can easily resubscribe. So at any point in time, you just go to whatever website or service you unsubscribe from and you just resubscribe. Okay? That's literally all you have to do. Enter your email address again, click on subscribe, just choose the ones that is applicable to you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.